So would you like to add a custom product page into your Shopify store in 2024? This is a fantastic way to enhance your online store look and feel, making this more attractive to your customers. So let's dive into how you can get started for beginners. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is to access your Shopify Administrator panel. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description so you can all get started totally for free in a very easy way. So now that we have just created here our Shopify section, what you want to do is to look into your Shopify Administrator panel. Inside here, let's focus into the installation of a page builder application. Now, to customize product pages easily, I strongly recommend installing a page builder application directly from the actual Shopify App Store. And to locate that, let's hit here into applications. Now, there's a lot of popular choices. Today, what I'm going to be choosing is an actual popular application called the Pagefly. Now, Pagefly is something that creates landing page really easy. Comes with an actual free plan, but you're only available to creating one page at a time. So here, what you want to do to customize product pages easily, what I want to do is to create a new product page. So once you have installed it, your chosen page builder application, you want to open this from the Shopify Administrator application section. So we can use this application to create a new template specifically for your product pages. Most page builders offer a variety of templates to start with. So here what I wanted to do is to go and get started with an actual new page into the little pod. So customizing your actual template, use the drag and drop editor into your page builder application so you can customize your actual template. You can add or remove elements like images, text, videos, and widgets. So customize the layout to fit your brand highly and highlight of course your products effectively. So what you wanted to do is to choose the best suits for you and then go ahead and to continue. Of course, I'm going to hit now into select, for example. And here, as you can see, I have the Pagefly page builder. So as you can see, all of those elements should be added in no time. So this is the part which you wanted to add product specific elements. Ensure you include product specific elements like dynamic product titles, the pricing, the description, and the buy buttons. So these elements should be linked to Shopify databases, which automatically updates them based into specific product details. For example, if I select one product page and I select the actual element of the product, let's say into the upper side, I have the product sourced. So it says custom product, I go for select product, and automatically all my product has been imported should be appearing here. So that means that what I just need to do is to select the product I wanted to get started with. Let's say this one. And all the product details, the product title should be imported in no time. So what I can do is just to delete the elements that I do not want to see. For example, here it says ingredients. I can just double click and change this for, let's say, materials. And I have one image here. I can delete the image or select and clear more images there. Or even if I just don't want to see it, I can just select the element and delete those. So use all the elements that you think that can be fitable for your product page and edit it, change it, or delete it. Now what I wanted to do is to save and apply the template. Once you're satisfied with your custom product page, save the template into the upper side. It says saved. Then apply this template directly inside your actual product of your choice. So let's say, for example, starter. You can do this by editing a product in your Shopify Administrator and selecting your new custom page from the product page settings. So first of all, I'm going to hit now into save, enable, and published. So the page title should be already been created there. And I only apply this for this product. Lastly, if I go back directly into my store, let's go into online store. Let's go into customize and disable the actual element that I have just created here. For example, the product information. I hide this as well. And the application should be down here, and I only see the Pagefly editor that we have just created here. And there we go. As you can see, we have just added the final tweaks published to the new custom product pages. It will now be live for customers to see if I hit into save and if I hit now into published. And that is it. You have successfully, guys, added a custom product page to your Shopify store, enhancing the Shopify experience for your customers. So guys, thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. If you find this information useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be benefit. For more helpful tutorials, stay tuned into the online media. Until next time.